Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful Valentine's card. Valentine's is coming, so I thought to make this beautiful heart-shaped card on time so that you all can make it for your loved ones. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. Now to start our card, the first thing we'll do is to paint with watercolor. We'll simply take a paper and we'll start making different shades of pinks and orange. So many of you don't want to spend much in different shades of craft paper. So this is the best way you can paint those colors and cut it in the shape of heart with the help of paper puncher. Once our heart shapes are done, we can now stick them all together. And before sticking them all, we'll make this beautiful lady giving flying kiss. Now for the 3D look, start bending your hearts like this and then stick them from the center like this. Now to make our lady look elegant, we will be making some jewelry with this 3D cone outliner. And to make our heart look glittery, I'm using this liquid glitter and I'm spreading them all with the help of brush. Now take a card of your choice and stick your card on that card with the help of Fevi-stick. And start writing your message on the card. I'm writing "Sending you love" because this picture is perfect for these lines. So our Valentine 3D card is ready. As you can see, I have made two more different colors of card with same technique and they have come up beautiful without spending much. As you know all that these are not craft paper, these are the papers we have colored from the watercolor. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.